उसको टशनेश ऑन एयर गया था. आई स्टार्टेड माई टेलीविजन जर्नी ऑन 10th of August और आज उसको 6 साल हुए हैं. एंड इट्स बीन great journey, and so I just wanted to come live and thank you all for supporting me, standing by me, loving all my work, accepting me and praising me for whatever I have done, because आपके support के बिना I don't think I would have come this far. And also this also still feels the beginning. I still feel कि अभी तो कितना कुछ करना है. There's so much more to do, there's so much more to achieve. Every day new opportunities are coming, you know, new doors are opening for me. और ये इतना अच्छा because of your love and wishes हुआ है. Siddhant _ Jasmine _ X, do you love me? Yes, I love you all, you know, because you've been there for me. You guys love me. Thank you so much, Mizna. So the reason to come live was to thank everybody who has been part of my journey till now. You know, I started my television career with ZTV, SL Vision. So thank you ZTV, thank you SL Vision. Special thanks Sukriti and Navneet ji. You know, it was a great experience to do Tashnesh. Then I moved on to Colors with Dil Se Dil Tak. So thanks to Colors, complete team of Dil Se Dil Tak, Shashi Sumit Productions, both my co-actors, everybody. And Colors has always been really nice to me. They always gave me an opportunity to be a part of their best shows, super hit shows, best franchises, be it Nagin, Khatron Ke Khiladi, Big Boss, Khatra Khatra. So thank you Colors. You know, all of you play the most important part in my journey, and thank you so much for always believing in me, giving me the opportunities. And I came back home and there was this surprise for me, and thank you guys, thank you so much for this amazing cake, so much love. Then there's this frame, and then there's a letter from fans which I have to read. So actually just here. Okay, there are a couple of letters. So it's a long letter, and thank you so much guys for planning all this. Mia chocolate. Mia wants attention. So thank you Saira, Meenal, Mohini, Amna, Kritika, Sia, Sudharni, Maria, Preeti, Muskan, Prashansa, Gurnoor, Dipasha. Thank you so much for this surprise. I really love you guys, and it was very beautiful, very sweet. But there's one request that I want to make to all of you today. You know, your love and blessings are more than enough for me. I feel really bad when I see that you guys are spending your money and, you know, sending me all these cute little gifts. These are very sweet, but just your love would be enough for me. So I do not want you guys to, you know, spend your money on all this. You can buy something for yourself and I'll be happier. And there's one more letter. This one, yeah. This one is from all the Jasminians. Galaxy, Jasmine, Forever, Meghna, Poonam.Amlani, Nishi, Princey, Hetvi, Aditi, Naina, Jashan, Priya, Yogita, Sakshi. I love you all guys, and thank you so much. This was so sweet of you, really sweet of you. Oh, Jasly Science. Yeah, congratulations Ali for your 4 million family on Instagram. Hi Sara. Hi Anam. Hi Shreya Srivastav. Hi Shreya. जैसे आपको कोल्ड है या आई नो कोल्ड नहीं है, जस्ट नॉट फीलिंग टू वेल और मैं जल्दी जल्दी में आई है, वो स्टक इन ट्रैफिक. हाय नुसरत. हाय मुस्कान. मोहिनी. हाय मोहिनी. हाय जुहा. ओके आई विल गेट पक्का ऋषभ. हाय आर्या. सान्या तानी प्रिया. हाय पूर्वी. मिया एंड रैम्बो दिखा दूं. ओके 1 सेकेंड. मिया कम कम. मिया कम. You want to say hi to you, Mia? Come. Come. Come, baby. Say hello. See? See, they want to say hi to you. So you guys met Mia. And you can hear Rambo barking because he's one hyper child. No, Rambo. Hey Rambo, say hi. Say hi to all the fans. Say hello, hello. Many congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming live also. And yes, soon Ali and I will plan a live together. I promise you guys. Take care, stay safe, stay happy. Love you. Bye.